Stand taller and look farther. Open your eyes. Everyone can become a great photographer. Go outside, yearning for the sun. Pursue the distance, then the world can be wider. For this time, brand new generation Zino 2 immersed you to positions out of sight. The upgrade is more than a little on this occasion. Added visual sensor at the bottom, enabled superior environmental awareness, acquires the powerful low-light fixed-point capability, lets you fly with precise positioning and hovers more stable, either browsing nature or recording beautiful moments. To see a full expanse of worlds and explore the unknown, Zino 2 uses the latest LEES 2.0 image transmission system. Based on the new architecture design, obtained the ability to adapt to complex environments. Maximum image transmission distance increased to 6 kilometers. Lets you discover the wonderful far off. Zino 2 comes with a stronger power system. Maximum flight velocity increased to 20 meters a second. Lets you enjoy dedicated to discover the new world. Adopted smart battery, created battery management unit, and self-learning mechanism, which maximize the battery lifetime to 33 minutes. Zino 2 benefits from its powerful flight control auto-stabilization system. Flight stability and wind resistance were equally remarkable in windy conditions. Take you on a fun shooting journey. A simple lifestyle is relaxing and comfortable. So is Zino 2. AI vision assists precise landing, automatically searching apron landing, quickly locates an accurate return. What is terrific, Zino 2's newly designed enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Enable record the shot stably and smoothly. The modular design of the gimbal facilitates replacement and quick disassembly. Zino 2 equipped with an upgraded image acquisition system. Records non-destructive 4K 60 FPS video that captures more image detail. Also, support full HD 120 FPS slow motion video, inviting you to feel the time close up. Take photos in the RAW format. Video shooting support SLN RAW mode that reserves more video details to give you a realistic visual feast. Everyone has the tool to discover beauty. Let's embrace this colorful world. Zino 2 can shoot amazing time-lapse videos with one click. Experience the ever-changing world of light and shadow. Create time-lapse works that are undetectable to the naked eye. Zino 2 uses Sony 1 out of 2.3-inch image sensor, endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data, help you to experience the rich in beauty for city. Free to adjust the color and shooting parameters, with customizable color and white balance when taking photos and videos. Present your creative blockbusters with color. Upgraded AI image follow. Let Zino 2 become your intimate photography partner, improving the response speed, increasing type identifications, provide arbitrary shooting for you, achieving a more accurate image following. Movie mode provided a more precise altitude control. You can adjust the speed of the tilt axis of the gimbal on app, meet various needs of shooting speed, lends professional, smooth, and unique effects to your work. Come into your life, discover the world. Orbit shooting, 360-degree shooting, line fly mode, panorama mode. Interact with nature, life with your heart. Feel every beauty on earth. Yes, you will find the world filled with fun and joy. Hubsan Zino 2 freshen up. Widen your horizon, explore the world. A refreshing change. Give a good account.